I'm Dr. Swathi, practicing homeopath from more than 1.5 decade at Mount Pleasant Homeopathy Center, Jayanagar. So today, let's know what is homeopathy, why any person has to opt homeopathic treatment for getting rid of his ailment. Maybe it is running nose, asthma, migraine headache, gastritis, or any other ailments which requires medicines for the cure of his disease. He has to opt homeopathy. Why? Because homeopathy is the safest way of treating an individual to make him get rid of his disease. So how can we say that it is very safe? Why? Because it has no side effects. Why homeopathic medicines don't have side effects? Why? Because the medicines we administer have been diluted several times, and it is the drug substance which is there in it is very minute and minimal, and that which is just exactly required by your body for the treatment and cure of your disease. So homeopathy is the safest way and it has no side effects. And why it is not having side effects is, in homeopathy, medicines, as I told you, is made out of drug substance which is being diluted several times, and also the innate energy of it. Any particular substance, maybe the salt or the sand or even the carbo, which is the charcoal, is also been taken as the medicinal substance, and its energy has been enhanced, which is innate, which is latent in its inner side, has been brought to the surface, and that medicine material is made into the curative substance. So homeopathic medicines are very safe and has no side effects. How do we do this? We do this through a series of procedure called drug potentization and dynamization. So this helps one individual to get rid of his disease in toto, completely. Nevertheless, it definitely takes time. It would have taken several years for you to get into the disease condition. This is your complete healthy condition. When a person feels that he is not okay, when he is here, he will not feel that. When he comes, when the health condition deteriorates till here, he may feel, yes, he is not okay. Even if it goes much more beyond, maybe quite far, then he will think that he requires a doctor to treat his disease. If that is so, it would have taken several years for him to set in the disease condition. Won't it take few months for him to come back to normalcy? Definitely yes, right? So homeopathic medicines is not very slow, but it would have taken quite number of years for the disease to set in. It will take few months. Maybe it is 10 months, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. We don't know. It depends on the individual person, upon his receptivity and upon the pathological conditions which he has been set in, and also the physiological damage which has caused, the disease condition of his has caused upon him. So homeopathy is not slow, it is definitely fast. There are quite number of reasons for why homeopathy is slow. Is the patient has to give complete history of this disease, whatever they are suffering with. Many times what so happens is, they think that if they have come to us for the sake of getting rid of their burning in the anus, that is piles problem, they think that their migraine headache is not an issue. If at all if they get, they will take the allopathic medicine and it will be cured. They will take a painkiller. They know how to do it, so they may not say. But in homeopathy what so happens, even such symptoms, all in toto, complete holistic approach is required for us to bring complete change in his disease condition. Then it will be easy for us to deal with the case. These are the drawbacks or the lacunae of homeopathic system, where it will inhibit the physician to reach the cure in a faster way. So what the physician has to do, it is his art of taking the case. So we will dig up the case, we will ask the patients to tell in detail about everything. In that procedure, we have to catch hold of whatever is characteristic, because if at all a case of piles, definitely burning is common, definitely bleeding is common, maybe constipation. This is normally it will be there. Apart from this, if at all the piles ailing client has got diarrhea and burning, that is characteristic, and the stools are soft and it is easy and it is watery and with froth and still it is burning, then it becomes the characteristics. So peculiar, rare and queer symptoms are most important for a homeopathic physician to give complete cure for that particular case. So in today's topic, we have covered almost why any individual has to take homeopathic medicine, that is for there is no side effects, and how medicinals are prepared, that is through drug dynamization, so there is no side effects. And we have also dealt with the PQRS symptoms, peculiar, rare and queer symptoms, which is one of the drawback, where the patients have to come up with the complete history of theirs to get complete rid of their disease. And also we have spoken today about duration of homeopathic treatment. That is, it would have taken homeopathic medicine treatment is not slow, it is definitely faster, but it would have taken few years to set in the disease. It will definitely, it is logical thinking, right? It will take few months for the complete curing of the disease. So with this, I wish to leave you viewers for pondering about it, and stay tuned to know about homeopathy in a much more detailed way in our upcoming videos. Thank you. Please do subscribe and share this to many contacts of yours to remove or to eradicate the myths about homeopathy and to spread health all over.